you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're here for the first time. And today we're going to do a very soft glam eye look, and also we'll be talking about self-worth and confidence. So let's get into it. So what is self-worth? So self-worth is how you see yourself when there is actually no one validating you. So, I feel self worth and identity are so connected because the way you see yourself slowly becomes your identity. And when your self worth depends on that, you lose a part of yourself. And especially when you are dependent on other people's opinion. And when you genuinely value yourself, your identity becomes stronger, you become more confident, and I think you become more authentic. You don't care about other people that much. And I think self-worth is how do you see yourself without validation. When you treat how you treat yourself on bad days, feeling deserving even after you know you feel like you're a failure. That is what makes you worthy of yourself. Why overthinking everything, why there is a fear of posting something new, why why you feel difficulty when you want to try new things, is because we don't feel confident, because we don't feel worthy of ourselves. We feel that we lack something, and that lack is not confidence. That lack is how you see yourself. And the only way to overcome is to increase your uh, worth in your own eyes by doing the things that you promise you want to do, by taking care of yourself, where you feel that you are working for that body, for that work that you want to do, for that job, for that business. And that is how you gain the confidence, and that is how you actually feel worthy of yourself, because nobody teaches us all of those things, right? So that is why it is important to take yourself as a priority and start working on yourself as early as possible. Validation feels very addictive. Like, imagine you're sitting with a friend and you say something, and your friend says, yeah, you're absolutely right. I don't know, there is some sense of righteousness we feel, some sense, okay, that yeah, maybe I'm saying is right. But honestly, that validation becomes really not for that other person but for yourself. And that is why it is important to have that sense that not everyone is going to validate you, not everything that you say is going to be uh, you know is going to make you feel worthy of yourself. So yeah, that is something that we need to work on. Confidence comes after taking the action. Like, you will not feel confident when you're just sitting here and thinking about a fit body that you want to have, or the business that you want uh, to do good. But the moment you step into the gym and you work out, you already feel that yes, that body is achievable, like the that you can lift weights, that you can take care of your body. And whenever you start taking the step for that business that you always wanted to do, you realize that yes, I can achieve that. So you don't have to take big step also, you can take small steps, but those small step will determine how and how far you can achieve your goals, like to what extent you really want to achieve your goals. So yeah, confidence will not come overnight. Like, one day you will feel ready to conquer the world. That's never gonna happen. We'll have to take small steps every day. Like, you have to go to the gym every day, and then one day you will realize that okay, I can lift more weights. The weight I was lifting yesterday, uh, and the weight I'm lifting today, they're completely different. I have increased it. So all of those things is gonna change your perspective as well. One thing that one can do is keep their promises. Like, every day we put an alarm key, we'll wake up at this time, uh we'll get up by this time, we'll go to the gym by this time, we'll start working at this time. But how many times we actually do that, that what makes your routine more productive. Like we just think, but we are not keeping our promises, right? So the first step is to whatever you decide, maybe waking up at, not, you don't have to wake up at 5, but even when your plan is to wake up at 7, you have promised yourself that, and you should wake up at 7, and that will tell your brain that yes, she's doing what she's thinking. So that will just give you more clarity, and that will make you realize that yes, I can do things that I want for myself. And if you really want to compare yourself, you really should compare yourself to the version of you yesterday. So you really need to compare yourself then. But other than that, you don't need to compare yourself with other people's journey, other people's Instagram accounts, other people's businesses, because then you don't know their journey, how far it took them to reach there, where you're just seeing their life today. So that is why I feel it is important to be, just compare yourself to the version of you were who you were yesterday, and that will give you some different perspective and not decrease your confidence or self-worth. So now my base is almost done. I'm just gonna set my under eyes and then we'll move on to the eyes, my favorite part. Whenever you use a loose powder, just do not apply directly. Like I have taken it here and then I'm just going to press it here in my hand, and then I'm going to press it that way. The powder doesn't crease. So for my base, honestly, this is my usual base. Like I don't do it differently. Like I don't do it differently every time. Almost I keep it same. But for my eyes, I like trying different looks and what works for me. So that is why I'm going to teach you how to do a very soft glam eye. So now I think I have set it with the powder. You can see there are no harsh lines. This one is Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette, and this is really beautiful shades. You can just see, like it has got black, brown, all neutrals, and 2 glitters to work with. First of all, we are taking this orange soda, this shade, and then just going on crease. Very soft. To add some warmth, you have to blend it like very nicely. What I'm gonna do, I'm picking the Dreamer shade, this one. This is a very golden shade. Show you, see, you can see, and I'm just applying it with my hand. Wow, can you see it? You're just gonna press the glitter in, and then I'm gonna take a darker shade for the outer corners, brown, and I'm just gonna put it here. You don't have to put the shadow everywhere, you just have to put in the outer corner, because the placement is very important. Like if you place it inside or in between, it will just go into everything. You just want to keep it outside. You just want to blend it upwards, like you don't want to drag it down. Just gonna do a very small wink. See how small that wink. I have done my liner. Now I just want to add a little more depth here. Now for the lower lids, I want to use the exact mulberry brown. I'm just going to place it here. Yeah, I'm just going to dust off whatever that is. I'm going to use this pencil. This is Contour 2.0 Rusty Pink. add a lip gloss, Bobbi Brown lip gloss. That's all I'm gonna do now. Okay, now the last thing that is left is blush and highlighter. This one, Revolution Makeup Revolution. I have all these beautiful shimmers, blushes, all of these. Okay. And if you want a sharper look, you can just do one more thing. Just take any concealer, and I'm taking this one, and then you want to, okay, I'm taking this concealer brush. You can just take it this, and then you can just draw a line here and here. Stencil brush. That this is more, you can just use the foundation brush and then just set everything. Okay, so I'm using this highlighter. This is also from it. Okay. So yeah, this is my final makeup look. Let me just open my hair. So I hope you guys learned something new, enjoyed the makeup look, and also took away something meaningful about self-worth and confidence. Because makeup is temporary, but the way you speak to yourself matters the most. Let me know in the comments if you like this makeup look, and also what kind of topics you want me to talk about next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.